What if the moon was replaced by the sun? How would Earth survive this fiery fate? Let's dive into this mind-boggling scenario. The moon is 384,400 kilometers away, while the sun is 149.6 million kilometers away. If the sun replaced the moon, it would be a mere 384,400 kilometers from Earth. This close sun would scorch the Earth, raising temperatures to thousands of degrees Celsius. Oceans would vaporize, the atmosphere would vanish, and life would be impossible. Tidal forces from such a massive sun would trigger colossal earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Continuous daylight would be a deadly blaze, not a life-sustaining light. Earth's orbit would destabilize, potentially causing chaotic collisions in the solar system. The sun's proximity would disrupt our magnetic field, exposing us to lethal cosmic radiation. Vegetation would burn, ecosystems would collapse, and the food chain would be obliterated. This thought experiment shows how vital the balance between Earth and the moon is for life. Thanks for joining this incredible journey. If you're curious for more, subscribe and ring the bell. Keep wondering and exploring.